Stop. Wait. Listen. The smartest move you can make this month, even if you have a good job. If you have a job, this video is for you. And before anyone misunderstands me, I'm not here to tell you to quit your job. I'm not here to tell you to become an entrepreneur. And I'm definitely not here to tell you to gamble your future on some online scheme. In fact, if you have a good job, please keep it. Please respect it. Please appreciate it. But here's the uncomfortable truth. For millions of people, one paycheck is no longer providing the security it once did. For many, the American dream is becoming a nightmare. Prices continue to rise. Housing costs continue to rise. Healthcare costs continue to rise. Insurance premiums continue to rise. And for many people, they're discovering that even though they're working harder, they're not moving forward. So in this video, I want to talk about why I believe building a second skill and eventually a second income source may be the smartest decision you can make in today's economy. And I'll explain why it's never been easier to start than it is right now. I don't know if you noticed, but the world has changed. Let me ask you a question. How many times have you heard someone say, I've worked for my same company for 30 years. I've been on a job for 30 years. For many people in previous generations, that was normal. You got a job, worked hard, stayed loyal, retired, and hopefully enjoyed the rest of your life. But the world has changed. Companies restructure, departments disappear, technology evolves, entire industries transform. And now we're entering another major shift driven by artificial intelligence and the digital technology. Whether we like it or not, folks, the workplace is changing. The economy is changing. The way people earn money is changing. And the people who learn new skills today will have more opportunities tomorrow. Not because they're smarter, not because they're younger, certainly, but because they adapted. This is not about fear. And I want to be very clear here. I don't believe in fear-based messaging like so many people do. I'm not trying to scare anyone, because fear rarely produces good decisions, but preparation does. This conversation isn't about panic. It's about options. The more options you have, the more freedom you have. If your only income comes from one source, you have one option. If you have a paycheck and a small online business, you have two options. If you have a paycheck, digital products, consulting, content creation, or another skill that generates income, you have multiple options. And options create peace of mind. That's what we're really talking about here. Not getting rich, not buying exotic cars, not showing off on social media. Peace of mind. That's valuable. You know, the one thing I've noticed is that recently, ordinary people are quietly learning new skills. Teachers, truck drivers, retirees, healthcare workers, office workers, people who never considered themselves to be entrepreneurs. They're learning. They're experimenting. They're building. Not because they want to become influencers, but because they want more control over their future. That makes a lot of sense, right? Some are learning AI. Some are learning video editing. Some are creating digital products. Some are starting YouTube channels like myself. Some are becoming consultants. Some are freelancing. Some are teaching what they already know. And that's key, what you already know. And many of them are doing it with just 15 or 30 minutes a day. That's it. Not 8 hours. not 12 hours, not every waking moment. Just consistent effort, day after day, week after week, month after month. So please don't fall for the hype. And pay attention, because this is something very important. The internet can be a dangerous place if you're not careful. Every day you see people claiming they're making $10,000, $20,000, $50,000. Some even claim they make $100,000 a month. Maybe some are telling the truth. Maybe some are not. But here's the reality. Those numbers don't matter. Your journey is not their journey. Comparing yourself to strangers on the internet is one of the fastest ways to become discouraged if you're starting an online business. So instead, focus on becoming valuable. Focus on learning. Focus on helping people. Focus on solving problems. Focus on building trust. Because trust is the real currency online. People buy from people they trust. People follow people they trust. People recommend people they trust. And trust takes time to build. So the opportunity that I truly believe in, and the reason why I talk about it so much, is digital products. Because they're simple, they're affordable, and they allow ordinary people to package their knowledge, experience, skills, solutions into something that can help other people. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need inventory. You don't need employees. You don't need a big office. You don't need a huge audience. You simply need something useful, something that solves a problem, something that helps another human being move forward. Simple as that. And that's why I believe digital products represent one of the greatest opportunities available to ordinary people today. So let me conclude by saying, as we move into a new month, here's my challenge to you. Don't spend all your free time consuming content, just scrolling. Spend some of it creating. Spend some of it learning. Spend some of it building. Even if it's only 15 minutes a day. Even if it's only 30 minutes a day. Because the skills you build today could create opportunities you can't even see right now. And remember, the goal isn't to become rich overnight, though that's great. The goal isn't to become famous. That's okay too. The goal is to become more valuable, more capable, more adaptable, and more prepared for what comes next. Again, your job is important. Respect it and appreciate it. But make sure it's not the only thing working for your future. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and help me grow and reach others that may need to hear this message. And if you're interested in learning how digital products work, check out the link below. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep creating freedom, the freedom lifestyle you deserve. Peace, love, and soul.